again, my name is Gabe Zollner. This is the 23rd of February 2017. Went ahead and did a little bit of Googling on weather forecasts. It looks like Sacramento isn't going to be receiving a whole lot of rain. Matter of fact, there's less than 10% chance on Friday, 40% chance on Saturday, and the rest of the week looks rather interesting as well. On the other hand, the Oroville Dam area is expecting to receive significant rainfall both on Sunday and Monday of this coming weekend. And the San Jose area is expecting to receive significant rain on Saturday. That's the outlook. And San Jose, as you probably know, much of San Jose is underwater. You know what'll happen if that Oroville Dam breaks? Well, hopefully we won't find out, but anything's possible. Again, the Oroville Feather River area is expected to receive significant rain both on Sunday and Monday of this coming week. And San Jose is going to get a drenching on Saturday. Thanks for listening.